Hello everyone, today we are going to go from this to this, but also this, and even this, all using one palette. Rate my sales pitch from 1 to 10. I give myself like a solid 6. Anyway, as you know, I launched my Terracotta collection this week, and I thought I would do one video showing you 3 different looks you could do with the palette. This is just the start though, there are endless options, but yeah, I thought we'd just have some fun with it. So for the first look, we will be doing one of my favorite eye makeup looks. It is a little bit similar to the look I did in my launch video, but way more red base. So first we are going in with ginger and we're popping that all through the crease, and then taking umber. I'm kind of underpainting with this color. We'll layer on top of it, but this is just to create some depth on the outer corner. It's not really going to be like a focus of the look, but actually if you look at the makeup as it stands right now, this is a really pretty look anyway, and you could put the shimmer on the lid and that's another cute look. But we're going to carry on. We're going to take sienna. Now, sienna is one of my favorite colors in the palette. It is like this red, I don't know, terracotta red, you know? It's so stunning. And we're just building this all over the lid, and we're going to blend it into the crease into those other 2 colors. And then we're going to blend together the shades to kind of aid in the blending. But hey, these eyeshadows are so easy to blend. You can see this with yourself. You can see this with yourself? What? You can see this with your own eyes. There we go. Oh my gosh, I haven't done a voiceover on YouTube in so long. This is like foreign. So I'm just going to continue to blend, and my goal is for all of the colors to melt together seamlessly. So it almost looks like an ombre up to, you know, the crease and brow bone and everything. Just blending, 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 going back and forth. And I'm also running the red color underneath my eyes to frame them. I love a smoky lower lash line. I always have and I always will. No one can stop me. And personally, I just feel like this color makes my eye color pop. I don't know. Anyways, then we're going with sand, which is a shimmer, and I'm doing a little bit on the inner corner. And then I am lining my waterline with a dark burgundy. This is by Marc Jacobs. I love this color, but it is discontinued, which is really sad. And then we're going to do some dust as eyeliner. So this is a nice dark brown, and it's hard to see at first, but wait for it to dry down. You can see it's a beautiful matte deep brown, and it just looks stunning with this red color. And then for my mascara, I went for brown because I'm going to use brown lashes today. So we're going in with Desert, which are really fluffy. I'm reusing these ones, so popping those on and then chucking on some blush. This blush looks so pretty with this eye look. It's Sweet Pea and Tulip, and I'm just mixing both of the colors together and popping that on my cheeks. It is unreal. Like, what a stunning color. Oh my goodness. And then we're going in with Raw on the lips. This is the lip duo from the collection, and this is the one that has a bit more of like a terracotta peachy undertone to it. We've also got Clay, which I show you later in the video, which is more nude, but I don't know, I feel like lately I've really been vibing Raw. It's just so beautiful. It brightens up my complexion. It looks so good with the terracotta tones. It looks good with the latte eye makeup trend. It looks good with bronzer. It is currently outselling Clay, so you guys like the vibe of this one a little bit more, but it's close. I don't know, which one do you guys prefer? This posing is giving me the ick currently. I've not filmed a video like this in a while, and ugh. Anyways, moving on to the next makeup look, and I have to admit, the way I removed my makeup to do this and like film another eye look in the same day, it made my base so crap. You'll see what I mean with the eyeshadow shortly. I had to work so much harder because they started going funny. I don't know, I think I left some like makeup remover on my eyelids or something. But anyway, we are currently using Stem, and I was gonna just put this on like the inner part of my eye, but then I was like, oh no, let's put it on the outer part and let's just join it all together. So just ignore this weird pattern that I'm doing. We're just slapping that basically everywhere and then cutting the crease. You can see on the outer corner, like the eyeshadow was just not sticking. It was so weird. It doesn't normally do that. I'm just being transparent here. Next time I do one of these videos, I think I will film the 3 looks maybe on different days, because yeah, by the 3rd look it was just turning out all hectic. You'll see, just wait and see. Anyways, we're using some sand, we're using some ochre, and we are just patting that on the lid. For this look, I was kind of envisioning like rave makeup or like something, you know, a bit more out there, something fun. I love doing creative makeup looks like this, and you could do a graphic liner too, but we're just going to stick with a classic wing using Botanic from the eyeliner palette in this collection. You can really customize the shades too, but I love how this shade looks just on its own. Like, is that not just the most amazing color? I think it's so pretty. Even with just like a neutral eye, it would be so nice. Anyways, we're going to use Torrid, which are a black and brown blend of lash. And here's the finished look. We are going to switch out the lip though. I'll show you how it looks with clay so you guys can tell me, do you like raw or clay more? So clay is a little bit more cool toned. I think this eye look really suited raw, but clay just hits different with this kind of makeup. I don't know. By the way, when I say cool tone, I don't mean it's like cool tone. It's just less warm than raw. You know, you feel me? And it's just a classic nude combo. I think it's so nice with this bright look and with the blush and everything. Like, it's just really soft and pretty, but I don't know which one I prefer now. Looking at it back, I don't know. And here's when the makeup started getting real hectic. Like, look at that eyebrow above where I'm blending right now. Like, what happened? I noticed like halfway through doing this look, like next time I need to remove everything and start fresh, because I was doing myself a disservice. Oh my goodness. Anyways, for this look, we were going for sultry, smoky, undone grunge. So we're using crude in the crease, some earth, we're using a little bit of ginger to warm it up, and yeah, just basically all of these like bluey tones. I'm just lining my lower lash line too. I thought I'd do a really deep lower lash. I don't actually know if I like that though. I feel like my eye shape looks like a bit weird with that kind of eye makeup style. I should have done something a bit more smoky rather than, you know, so harsh. Anyways, we're taking the blue shimmer and smashing that over the eye with our finger. It's a nice creamy shade, so it does work amazing with your finger. And then we're taking the more blue tone eyeliner this time, and you can see it's a little bit different from the green, but it's still got a hint of green in it. It's like a turquoise blue, you know, you feel? And it looks really nice with this kind of makeup. And then I thought I would like throw in a navy super blue shimmery eyeliner in my waterline for some reason. I don't know, I don't really like it. And then black mascara, we're going to reuse our Torrid lashes. Here's when I was having a meltdown because I was like, oh my god, what the heck, my eyebrow has like all this makeup in it from friggin' washing my eyes a million times. It was just not coming out, so I just gave up, to be honest. But yeah, putting on the lashes, moving along. You can still see the glue drying, so please ignore that. It took forever to dry. One of those things, you know. I decided to take sand onto my cheekbones to highlight and also use lots of setting spray because I wanted a really nice glowy finish to my skin with this eye makeup. Oh, it just reminds me of mermaid vibes. I think it would look nicer with a nude waterline, but I was trying to like go out of my comfort zone. I don't know, kind of regret it. You know how it feels. Above my eyebrow is weird brow wax too that just got all crazy from me like removing and redoing my concealer around my eyes and stuff like that, so sorry. I hope you enjoyed this little bonus video regardless. It was a bit chaotic, but I am so proud of this collection. There are so many looks I want to create for you guys, but I'll give you a break now because I know people get angry about it. But yeah,